The OM System VN-960PC digital voice recorder offers long recording capacity, making it well-suited for lectures, meetings, and personal notes without constantly clearing files. Its direct computer connection allows quick transfer and backup of recordings, so organizing and archiving audio is straightforward even for less technical users. Multiple recording modes and several folder options help keep different projects neatly separated, which is especially useful when juggling work, study, and personal reminders on one device. The jog dial and variable playback speed make it easy to scan through long recordings and pick out key moments without wasting time. Efficient power use lets the recorder run for extended periods on 2 included AAA batteries, reducing the need to carry spares for everyday use. The compact, lightweight design is comfortable to hold and simple to slip into a pocket or bag, so it is convenient to keep with you throughout the day.